Ventura. Suspect around scene from foot.
Take more than that.
trust fund can be such a drag.
I can't pay that.
Have you ever had sex on camera?
Yep. Straight BS.
Later, Chica.
Okay, girl, call me now. Just how I like it.
Go on, get lost, lady.
Whatever.
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between 2 lunatics.
Hey, man.
And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
Oh, you ain't, nigga. Who you think you are? I'm here for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it take.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
These Santos bitches can't see me. I bet he can throw my ass around.
Leave me alone, lady.
Don't forget, this is my hood.
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you? Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
You remind me of spring.
Come on, dude. Shut up, please.
Keep it real. You smell exquisite.
Hey, man, get out of here.
Oh, word.
Our first date, we shot guns every nation.
Catalina, is that you again?